Hi everyone, my name is Özgür Sarıgöz. I'm a game designer slash Unity developer and I've been working on a new multiplayer game. While I've been working full time on an online game and created smaller projects before, this is my first time building an online game entirely from scratch. I wanted to challenge myself with a more complex project to showcase my game design skills. While I don't want to reveal too much just yet, the game will be a mix of Monopoly, Pummel Party, and D&D in the most simplified way. Since this project will take longer than my previous solo projects, I decided to document my progress through Devlogs to keep myself motivated and share my progress. I began the project with the lobby system. As I mentioned, although I worked on online games before, my experience is mostly on the client side, so server side development is a new territory for me. I wanted to start with something crucial to see if I could handle it first before diving too deep. Since the core mechanics of the game are relatively straightforward for me, I had no doubts on that side, and surprisingly, the online side went more smoothly than I expected too. I used Unity's built-in tools and went for a host client model because this is a portfolio project and I didn't want to rent a server for it. Specifically, I used netcode for game objects and lobbies packages. I followed the fantastic multiplayer tutorial by CodeMonkey, which I've linked in the description. It was a huge help. To structure the project, I used the Strange OSC framework, as it's the one I am most familiar with, and trying to learn a new framework while also tackling Unity's network features felt like too much for this project. So I stick with what I already knew. Honestly, combining Strange OSC with netcode was a bit of a stretch, but I think I handled it well without creating too much of a spaghetti. Now, let me give you a quick look at the lobby system. The source code for this will be available on my GitHub, which is linked in the description. As you can see there are four options here. You can enter your player name here. If it's your first time starting the game, it generates a random name for you. This one, quick game, finds a random lobby with an available slot and joins it. If no lobby is available, it creates one automatically. This one lets you create a new lobby, as you can guess. You can also make it private, in which case players will need the code displayed here to join. And this one, as I just said, for entering a code to join a specific lobby. In the lobby, there are also some basic features. A ready check. All players need to mark themselves as ready before the host can start the game. The host also can kick players, and those players won't be able to rejoin the same lobby. Once all players are ready, the host can start the game, and there isn't much to see here yet. And this is it for this update. Again, the source code for the lobby system is available on my GitHub and I keep it updated as the project progresses. But keep in mind, I will be sharing only lobby code, not the entire game. Next time I'll start developing the actual game mechanics and I am excited to share more with you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.